Hello students, find the direction cosine of the vector joining the points A, 1, 2, minus 10, B, minus 1, minus 2, 1 directed from B to A. So BA vector கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். OA vector minus OB vector. OA vector 1i plus 2j minus 3k vector minus B vector minus 1i minus 2j plus 1k vector. So 1 plus 1, 2i vector plus 2 plus 2 plus 4j vector minus 3 minus 1 minus 4k vector. So direction ratio வந்து 2, 4, minus 4. இப்போ direction cosine தான் கேட்குறாங்க. So 2 divided by இதோட magnitude 2 square plus 4 square plus 4 square, 4 divided by root of 2 square plus 4 square plus 4 square, minus 4 divided by root of 2 square plus 4 square plus 4 square. So 2 square வந்து 4, 4 square 16, 4 square 16. 32, 32 plus 34, 36, root 36 வந்து 6. So இது எல்லாத்துக்குமே division 6 தான் வரும். So direction cosine 2 by 6, 4 by 6 minus 4 by 6. So இதுதான் answer. Thank you.